guys, Ladina from Alphacine here, and today I'm joined with Pupushka, yet another one of our plush toys, and we will be unboxing the iPad Pro 12.9 inches and the Apple Pencil Generation 2. And we got this because my girlfriend wants to do drawing and she's really into it, and she's kind enough to let me unbox it, so thank you to her. And now let's get into it. Alright guys, I was gonna use the scissors, but I don't think we need it because this is Apple. They always make things easy. Bam, put it to the edge, slam it down. You see this? Right here? Push it away. Gone. Ripped. You don't need that. You open it, easy. Oh, listen to this. Listen to this. That's heaven. It means you're unboxing something fun. Now here we go. Oh god. Oh, it's one of those boxes. It's a slide down box. Here we go. Oh. And here is the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. I repeat. You know what's funny? It would be really funny if they gave us the old one with the one camera or the two cameras. Yeah, the two cameras instead of the three cameras. Let's have a look. Ah, it's the new one. Okay. We got it, guys. So there we go. There's the new iPad. Holy shit, it is light and it is thin as fuck. Look how thin that is. Look at it. Let's open it up right now. That's from the behind. It's a space gray version. This iPad is stronger than some laptops out there. So if you compare this iPad to the MacBook Air, I think this iPad Pro is actually more powerful than the MacBook Air. So this is the in-between of the laptops. Well, it's not a laptop, but it fits in between of the laptops in Apple. There it is from the back. Looking absolutely gorgeous. It's really thin. Like, look at my finger. It's thinner than my finger. This is my small finger. Look at that. It's thinner than my small finger. And I've got small fucking fingers. That's from the front. Ooh. There we go again. So we'll put the iPad over here in a safe position. We'll check out the box. And we know it's Apple. It just comes with the menu, the charger, and that's all you get. That is all you get with Apple. That's all you need. Gonna put it back. Just the way it was. This one I'm going to leave out because my girlfriend can put that one back. She can do the boring part. Now here we go. Same thing. Good old Apple. Boom. They got this satisfying way of just opening their products. And this is the pen. Another one here. Like a lever kind of thing. And pull. Oh, man. As easy as it gets. Look at that. Something like Harry Potter. I'm about to unbox the magic wand. Boom. Look at that. At the tip here, they even kind of made it look like a pencil. How funny is that? It's not called the Apple Pencil for no reason. Take it out of the foil, and I can tell you right now, wow, this is really light. And you know, it feels like a normal pencil. If someone was using this to draw, like my girlfriend on her iPad, drawing the cartoons and all the other stuff, it's going to be really comfortable to draw, and I'm guessing it's really precise. So let's grab the iPad out one more time, if I can do it. Oh no, look at me. I have to do it in a clumsy way. Grab it out like this. Careful. And there's a magnetic part over here on the iPad. And you just boom, stick the pen on in a way. Boom, there we go. Look at that. Now if you go to a Starbucks or something and someone sees you with an iPad and a pen like this, they're going to think you're the biggest show off in the world. And you rightfully are. Look at that. You look like, if you're doing this, you look like you know you're doing something. So yeah, that's the unboxing, guys. It's of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. It's fucking awesome. Had this cool panel fit. I'm never going to use it. I'm just unboxing her stuff. That's why I'm not going into detail in it. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good look at it. Saw what's inside the box. Saw how thin it is. How awesome it looks. It looks pretty sexy, I have to be honest. And yeah, if you guys want one, you should get one just for drawing, because that's all I know what it's going to be used for. Peace.